Hi lovelies and welcome to Vlogmas day 15. You guys, this is literally almost evening time. As a matter of fact, the sun is down already. It's 2:45 and I'm just waking up from my bed literally to start my day's activity. I'm hungry. I haven't had anything to eat. I'm just going ahead to boil one noodles and I'm using half a packet of the seasoning. I'm just going to boil that for a while and then I'm going to prep my eggs. I'm using 2 eggs because man shall not live by carbs alone. Okay, all right, so 2 eggs in the bowl and then the rest of the seasoning packet. I'm also going to be putting some black pepper as well because this just gives it an amazing flavor. Going to put that together and prepare to just put that in the frying pan along with what's left of yesterday's sauce. So the boys took most of it for their lunch and then this is what's left. I'm just adding a little bit of oil to that and just reheat it before I put the eggs in the pan. All right, so the noodles is done. I've just moved that to the side and then once the sauce comes to a boil again or it just starts to fry up, I'm going to add the eggs in it and then reduce the heat so that the egg just cooks really low. And as I'm doing that, I'm also going to be pouring the noodles on the eggs that are still cooking so that everything just melts together. All right, so the heat is turned down and I'm just going to make sure that the sides are properly oiled so that I can flip it easily once the alternate part is done. And I'm just going to be having some ginger tea. Like I told you guys in my last vlog that I was trying to cut down on my caffeine, so this is the ginger tea. It needs no sugar, it needs no milk, just 1 pack straight into the cup. Add some boiling water and you're good to go. You can also add some lemon slices if you want. And that's pretty much all it needs. All right, so my egg and noodles are done now. I'm just going to plate that and put that to the side while my water continues to boil for my ginger tea. And this is pretty much all I'm having. I don't even know what to call this because it is that late in the afternoon. Hi lovelies and welcome to Vlogmas day 15. Today has been a very chilled, relaxed day. I got up from my bed this morning to get the boys ready for school. The boys went to school and I went back to my bed. I had my bath, but I've done nothing else but upload Vlogmas day 14. You guys, I just made myself, I don't know what I would call it, brunch now. I don't know what we call it because I feel full right now. I don't even think I'll be able to eat anything again. But anyway, you guys, I just got this package. This is something that I ordered from a African food vendor. So our trip to Scotland, the people we stayed with, our family friends that we stayed with, used this particular vendor, and the food we were served with had some of these items in it. So I told her to please give me her contact and I ordered only 2 items just to test and see if the vendor is good. And I told the vendor, I said, if your product is good, if your market is good, like if I see the quantity, the quality of it, I'll tell my subscribers about it. I'm just going ahead to make this video because I want to show you my true reaction. This is how it came with, bubble wrapped it and everything, so it's properly packaged. She used the box, my address was on it, but I've opened it now. Are you serious? I didn't ask for this. So she sent me cayenne pepper. She has a logo on there. So we're off to a good start. So freebies. This looks like burnt high chili pepper. But anyway, thank you for that. I wasn't expecting that. So this is panla. Panla is, I think it's iris or enris. I don't know what they call it, but it's the smoke dried one. It's completely dry. This one will need some serious rehydration. And then of course, pomo of life. So I think one is, I don't know, one of them is £10, the other one is £9. I don't know which is which. I can't remember. I'll check and put the price on the screen for you. But you guys, those are the only 2 things that I ordered. This panla, in my opinion, is looking too dry, but it's the best way to preserve it. If I'm being honest, it's the best way to preserve it if you don't want to keep it in the freezer. But me, I just chuck this in the freezer. I take what I need out per time, I rehydrate and I use it. Pomo, for those who do not know what pomo is cow skin dehydrated. It's processed, so it's not as it was when the cow was still mooing. No, this has been roasted. The skin or the hair has been taken off and all of that, and then it has been boiled and dehydrated. So like it's dry, it's proper dry. But anyway, thank you so much for this freebie. I wasn't really expecting it. This will be for me because it's looking like the real thing, because I'm seeing seeds and things in there. It's pepper, you guys. It's pepper. All right, you guys, so as promised, our store name is Ade Squares Food. These are our details. Do a screen munch and contact her. She is available on WhatsApp. She will ship to you anywhere in the UK. You guys, it's a pity that I've eaten noodles and egg. I'd have eaten correct food tonight, but anyway, maybe those who haven't eaten, I'll just make something for them. Let me soak some pomo, so that at least I can make correct food for my husband tonight. Honestly, you guys, how is everyone doing? On days like this, I do nothing. Like I've been watching reels, just lying down and lounging, and of course I've also been doing some personal research. I'll share more details on that later. Also today, well actually it was yesterday I got some really devastating news to me, but thank God for my husband, thank God for support. So I got some unexpected news yesterday that wanted to throw me off balance, and I've just been listening to praise all day. For most parts of today, I've been listening to songs and just getting my spirits back, because depression is a terrible thing, and it's a stealer of joy. It can just derail you from what is in front of you like this. But anyway, you guys, I have been keeping my spirits up. I have been making myself happy, and the way I could do that was to put my feet up in the bed and rest. My people are back. And as usual, once they come in through the door, I greet them with enthusiasm, find out how their day was, ask about what they've been up to, because I'm always curious and I need to know. So that's what this is. See what came today. What? Pomo and fish.
Pomo?
Yeah, you like pomo. I know you like pomo. I'll make some.
And I need to taste it.
You can't taste it. It's dirty. And
ew!
It's really dry. You can't eat it.
Hard.
Yeah, so we have to rehydrate it. Let me just soak it in straight away.
That's if I've been a good boy.
Oh, you can laugh. Oh, Becky.
That mum, is that pomo? Mum, is that donut?
This is pomo. This is fish. Dry fish. Yes.
So the fish that died, fish that died can be actually used as food?
Yes. We don't waste it.
Yeah.
We don't waste food.
Because that's not good.
Honestly, you guys, children have the most interesting questions to ask. This is just a typical example of the kind of questions that we get asked on a daily basis. But anyway, you guys, I just went ahead to soak some pomo and some panla. I will be using that in Vlogmas Day 16, so please stick around for that. Can anyone guess what the recipe will be about? Alright guys, so this is the end of today's vlog, but before I go, I want to address a few comments that I've gotten from my Vlogmas series, and that is for those who were following me last year December, and that was for my turkey sales. And I just got a comment now just as I was about to go to bed. It was from I'll put the comment on the screen so you guys get to see it. So for those who followed me last year December, you guys know that I was on a witch hunt. I won't even say witch hunt. I was on a serious hunt for the turkey sales at Aldi. It's not just Aldi, it is in all the stores, and that is the sales that they do for all their meat products. So it's not just turkey, but I was after the turkey. So it's for turkey, chicken, lamb, beef, anything, pork, it's all for everything. So because the stores close for 2 days, they close for Christmas and Boxing Day. the stores are going to be closed for those 2 days, and they try to discard all of their meat produce, or most of their meat produce that are close to their sell by date. So people like me are usually on the lookout for things like that. So I got this information from the people that we stayed with when we got into the country. It happened last year. It is going to happen this year again. I have been monitoring it, but I've said nothing about it all along. But it is time to talk about it. So I'll talk about this in depth next week, and I will actually take you into the stores and we will see the prices drop. Literally watch the prices drop, and I will tell you when to get ready for it, because it is a massive sale and it is time. It is the best time for you to stock up your freezer and just prepare for the new year in terms of your poultry or your whatever it is that you like to eat. But anyway, you guys, I will give you more details about that in subsequent vlogs. Please stick with me with Vlogmas. These are the kind of information that I love to give people, because not everyone knows about it, and it's a huge money saver. So thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 15. I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 16. Bye.